Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press that bell to get all the latest news and updates from my channel. Actor Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who has turned active investor in a number of startups, speaking about her investment mantra, said that she is keen to invest in Indian startups and be at the forefront of investing in startups driven by women. Recently, at the Startup India International Summit, she said, "My dream is, and I'm working really hard with this on my team, and I will open this forum for anyone who's interested. But I would love to be a part of an Indian idea that resonates globally, and I'm really looking for that right now and working towards that in a big way." To add to her portfolio of investments in 2021, the actor is currently scouting for startups that are at the cross section of technology and beauty, and would also like to invest in startups focused on education. She further said, "Ideas are the currency of the present right now. You can be anybody from any field as long as you have an idea, a viable business plan that can be someone who can find a gap in the market." Our interest in the venture capital space was spiked by her former manager, who was also a venture capitalist, when Priyanka Chopra Jonas began working as a crossover artist in the US around 2013. "I have always been fond of tech. I have always been someone who likes to walk into uncharted territory to sort of learn new things." My US manager, Anjula Acharya, she is a venture capitalist, and she used to talk me about funds that she was raising or products that she was investing in. The actor has since started to focus on companies helmed by women and has made multiple investments in companies like Bumble, founded by Whitney, and New York based wellness startup founded by Rebecca Parekh. She said, "I think tech requires women. I think startups require women, and I want to be at the forefront of that." Further speaking on the importance of female participation in the technology workforce, Priyanka said, "Tech has always been a fascination to me, but I just saw that it was an opportunity to be able to support, for me at least, female founded businesses. I'm really interested in artificial intelligence. I feel a lot of our engineering coding is done by men, and we as females, 50% of the world are consuming this technology like Alexa or Siri. We are consuming these things which are not actually made by people who look like us, so I think engineering requires women." On the work front, Priyanka Chopra Jonas recently wrapped up her upcoming film Text for You in London and has The White Tiger to be released on Netflix on Jan 22nd and has number of projects lined up. If you like the video, please hit that like button, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye guys.